Custom-built executive super ranch with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 6-car garage, private brick fenced backyard, and 2 kitchens with stainless appliances. Beautiful sand and finish hardwood flooring throughout. See-through fireplace. Heated ceramic tile in bathrooms. Huge laundry room with sink, folding space and hidden ironing board. Amazing primary suite includes corner jetted tub, giant custom walk-in closet, rainhead in the tile shower plus attached dressing room/office. Wet bar in the bonus area and sink in the sunroom for interior greenhouse-style gardening. Extraordinary one-of-a-kind home just minutes to I-24 in the heart of Clarksville.